Alright, hello everybody who watches this video. So my name is Jasharon, and this time I will present an interesting topic to discuss. The topic is, should violent video games be banned for teenagers? Alright, now we all know that everybody loves video games. Video games are created for entertainment purposes, to relieve our stress and to clear our mind. With that being said, video games are supposed to be fun, entertaining, and enjoyable. But what we should know is that not every video games are family friendly. There are lots of video games which contains violence that should not be played for underage children. So what about teenagers? Is it legal for them to play this kind of video games? So without further ado, let's jump into the topic. So now, what is the definition of a violent video games? It's actually pretty simple. Violent video games are video games which contain some, if not many, elements of violence, such as punching, kicking, gun shooting, killing, bad languages, and many of those violent kinds of things. In many cases, violent video games are often rated as 18 plus, which literally means only people above 18 years of age can only play it. Also, violent video games can sometimes present many gore and bloody elements as well. So there are lots of famous video games that are fall into this category. The perfect example is Grand Theft Auto or GTA, which I suppose we already know about it. So Grand Theft Auto are famous for its violent nature, as well as many controversies surrounding its history. The other good examples, including Bully, Tekken and Mortal Kombat, The Last of Us, Resident Evil, Call of Duty, and many more. All of these games are qualified for the violent games category. And now here's the thing. Should these violent games be forbidden for teenagers? Now remember that they have free will, just like every other grown-up person should have. So with that being said, teenagers are supposed to have free will to do anything they wish. Also, they are free to make decisions for themselves, because only them who could understand themselves better than anybody else. And this is where parental role is the most needed for this young guy's development. If the parents are always busy and do not have time to educate their children, teenagers are tend to be easily influenced by their environment. These are also applied with video game selections. If these youngsters love to play violent games and becomes addicted to it, this is where the problem rises. And the problem will be rises even more if the parents didn't put much attention to it. This is how video games are able to influence teenagers with negative impact, and without realizing it, teenagers can also bring this impact to the real world about what they have witnessed in video games they have played. So, what are the conclusions? Should violent games be banned for teenagers for its negative impact? Well, personally, I disagree. Violent games are not forbidden for teenagers as long as it only serves for entertainment purposes. Basically, if you watch it from another perspective, violent video games can teach you something about basic things in this world. For example, violent games can teach you about self-defense, how to protect yourself from any threat. It can also teach you many kinds of martial arts you might never knew before. On top of that, violent games could teach you about strategy and teamwork. This is something that you will need the most in the real world. So, the answer is violent video games are not forbidden for teenagers as long as it is for entertainment only. And I think that's all I can say for now. Thank you for listening to me and have a nice day.